What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Me and Dad just got done eating some breakfast. We're out here at his tow yard releasing the car. Got a good video planned for the day. Here later on we're gonna go do some coon hunting. So stay tuned for that. We'll just kind of record throughout the day until night comes. Here's my rough trucker running the fair. That'll be coming beginning of August, so be ready for that. We're with Dad and we're heading to a wreck. Well, guys, I don't know how good you can see me, but right there is where the car went down in the ditch, across this driveway, down through there, and ended up back there, all the way up in this person's driveway, up in the trees. I'll turn the camera back on when we got it loaded. Guys, I don't know if you can see through the window. I see the window's a little wet, but he's got it loaded up. It was stuck in that tree back there, so we had to pull it out of the tree. Maybe we can get some more light and get out of here. I can show you the damages. Alright, guys, there it is. Everybody made it out safely, thank goodness. Windshield wipers are still going and everything. She's totaled. But we just got back to the yard. I'll take a short clip of us unloading it. Push it right in there. to do it. We're heading to a winch out. Road's pretty bad. See you guys when we get there. Well, we made it to the second one.
I can't turn the tire at all.
Man, deep ditch. Pulled it right out. He's collecting payment now, but we're off to another one. Man, this is a blast. Hope you guys are enjoying it, but I'm getting in the truck because I'm cold. So, I'll see you guys when we get to the next one. Well guys, we just pulled out another one. I couldn't record that one because I had to hop in the driver's seat and control the wheel while I was getting pulled out, but we got her pulled out. We were heading to the one that got called in and we just came across this one, but we're heading to the one that we got called in. So I'll see you guys there. Well, we made it to the next one. That's one way to do it. Well, there's that one. We got another one to head to right down the road. We made it to the next one. I'm gonna stay in the truck for this one, so I'm gonna do my best recording from the truck. Just got them pulled out. Sorry I didn't get that one on film. But if we get any more, I'll make sure to keep getting them on film. We just arrived to another one. This one's pretty bad. I don't know if you can tell from the camera. That's a pretty big drop off. Check his car out. It's down there good. Went off this drop off here and went down in the field. So hopefully I can video this one. So when we start pulling them out, I'll pick the camera back up. Old buddy's in a bad spot here. Up against culvert. We're trying to back up. We ain't going nowhere. Rode this ditch all the way down. We can get this one on video.
The brake?
Pulling him right out of there. It's a deep ditch. We got him. see it now. That sucker is deep. Well guys, I think we're heading back to the house after this one, so we'll see you guys back at the house, or hey, we might get another call, but I guess we'll see. Guys, so I know at the beginning of the video I said we were gonna go do some coon hunting, but we unexpectedly got a lot of snow, so not good coon hunting weather at all. So instead I tagged along with Dad and we went and pulled a bunch of cars out of ditches and towed one wreck, which you guys will see, and then me and cameraman, we went and had some fun in the parking lot, whipped some donuts and whatnot. There's a kid running a little machine out there. We got him to whip some donuts too. Pretty funny. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. I forgot one thing, guys. Rising Creek Hat Co., my girlfriend's uncle, started this business. Really good hats. I like them. One good thing I like about it is a lot of different hats take a week or two to break in, but this one, it broke in one day. And I'm not just saying that. It really broke in one day. I like it. It's comfortable. Fits good. So, Rising Creek Hat Co. I'll put the words up on the screen and also put the link in the description. Go give him some love and check him out.